How to pin important chats in Messenger. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can pin the important chats on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app. Now here you can see all the chats in the chat section right here. Okay, now select the chat which you want to pin. Let's say I want to pin this chat. Okay, for pinning this, just swipe left like this and you will see three options. Right here you can see pin. Tap on pin and that message will be pinned at the top right here. Let's say you wanna pin another message, just repeat the same process and tap on this pin and your messages will be pinned. All of the pinned messages will be shown like this, step by step. The first message you pin will be shown the first and the second message will be shown in the second. Let's say you wanna unpin it, just repeat the same process and tap on unpin and it will be unpinned like this. Super simple, right? If this video helped you, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.